It's a wet one today. We're about to get the tent up. We know about wet days. We are on the TT for the last one. Basically, we've got an oil inspection service we're doing, so I am just draining the oil now, getting rather wet. So, oil filter's down there, absolute fucking nightmare to get. No, it's there, sorry. So, absolute nightmare to get it still. So, we've got to get the oil filter out, we've got air filter here, and we're going to have a little inspection over the car. So, let's get it done. It is fucking wet today. Let's do our diagnostics while we hide from the rain.